Hey guys, it's Kimmo here, and in this video I will introduce you the 3COMMAS smart trade function and what are the benefits and how to use it properly. So let's get started. So now I'm in the 3COMMAS dashboard, and first thing that we have to do, we have to go to the smart trade. Just click the link here and now the smart trade will open up. So up here you have to select your market, what are you trading with. I'm using USDT. And as an example, I will use XTC or Tesos coin, for example, for the smart trade. I just search it up here and select it. And in here, I have the trading view from 3COMMAS. I will check what the chart looks like. But the problem with 3COMMAS trading view is that there is not that much possibilities or features. So what I do is I will check the chart in 3COMMAS. If it's okay to trade, I will go to the trading view and double check the chart with a lot more indicators. So I'm going to the trading view right now. So now I'm in a tradingview.com and I search for the XTC USDT pair, and as you can see, the coin have dropped over 20% in 14 hours. So I think it's really good example for the smart trade function. And as you can see, the chart shows that it's going to the upper direction. So let's go with that one. And now I'm going back to the 3COMMAS to start the trade. So I'm going to scroll down a bit, and in here you have so many options to start the trade with. So first things first, how much do you want to invest into that trade? You can choose the percentages from your portfolio. For example, if you want to invest 5%, it will automatically fills up the value here. Or if you want to enter manually, you can just put the number in here. I will go with 1000 USD with that trade. And in here you have a lot more options with the starting condition. You can put your own price, what are you willing to pay for this coin, or you can use the market price, so it will start trading it automatically, or you can use a really good function called trading by. I am using trading by every time I will do a smart trade in 3COMMAS. This is like one of the best options to start to trade with. I will show you exactly how the trading by works. So the price is moving, and you think that this will be the really good entry for the trade. And for example, if you put the trailing by 5%, I will show you what happens. So you have put the trailing by 5%, this were your entry point, and 5% trailing by level is right here. And now look closely what will happen. So this is where the trailing buy comes in. It will check the lowest price of the coin, and it will follow with the downtrend. And once the price goes up 5%, it will open the trade and you get the best entry point possible with your trade. As you can see, I haven't made a trade yet. And now, if you check, the entry point was about here, where the trader enters the trade, and the trailing buy got the price of the coin from here. So the trailing buy will follow all the lowest prices possible, and if the coin is rising 5%, it will start the trade. As you can see, the real starting point is here with the trailing buy. And that was the first starting point where the trader started the trade, and it got 15% better price of the coin. That's basically how the trailing buy works. So I'm back in the 3COMMAS, and in the trailing buy function, I will put it to 2%. And in total, I will use 1000 USD with the trade. So the next step is set take profit. So in here, you can select how much profit you want to earn with this trade. 3COMMAS smart trade have really good options called split targets. I will show you that in a moment. But for example, if you want to make 10%, and if you scroll up, you will see exactly where the 10% is. This is the green line down here if you enter the trade in here. So for example, if I put 15%, the 15% is right here. So the split targets, basically what it is that you can enter your maximum percent you want to earn. You can split the profits maximum 4 times. For example, if my take profit is 15%, I can choose the other take profit percentages as well. For example, I can put that 25% of my trade will be take profit in 15%. And now if I select another take profit target, as you can see in here, I have pie chart and I have available 75% to make the other profits. So I will put the second take profit target in 10% value, and I will put 25% with the volume. As you can see, I have 50% available of my total volume. So I will put my third take profit in 5%, and I will choose 50% of the volume. And now you will see that if the price goes up 5%, I will sell 50% of my volume. If the price hits the next target 10%, it will sell 25%. And if the price hits the last target, which is 15%, it will sell another 25%. So you can take profit as it goes upward. And then here you can see the trailing take profit for the last target. I would recommend enabling this one because if you enable this, it is possible to take much more percentage with the last trade. And put it, for example, 1%. That enables the function similar to the trailing pie, but it is for taking profits. For example, if the price hits your last target, which was 15%, it will check if the price still goes up or not. And it will follow the price, and once it goes down again, it will sell all your coins, and you could possibly earn much more than you put in here. So now we are going to start the trade. Just click here and you can confirm all the functions that you enabled. Just double check all the things, the total in investment, no stop loss, and also make sure to check your take profit steps. And if it's ready, just confirm. And down here you can check how the trades is doing. And if I scroll up, you can see all the take profit targets with the chart. So in here I have the first take profit target, the second take profit target is here, and the last one is here. Now we just have to wait when the trade is actually starting. At the moment I have activated trailing pie, and once it will start trading, you can see similar chart down here that I had with the previous trades. Now I'm back and let's check how our trades are doing. So as you can see, the trade has started and I'm already profit in 1%. And now let's check out what was our entry point. Our entry point was 6.109. Here you can see your take profit conditions. So the first take profit condition will be activated with this price, and the second take profit will be activated with this price, and the final take profit will be activated in 7.025. And if you want to make some changes in your trade, you can just simply click here and click edit. You have possibilities to edit your take profit and stop loss conditions if you like to. And also if you scroll up, you can see all the take profit steps you have entered. And for example, if you want to add some more funds to your trade, you can just simply click here and click add funds. And now you can put your dollar value or whatever trading pair you're using. For example, you want to add $500 to this trade, and you can just simply click and it will add more funds to your trade. As you can see here, I have added $500 to this trade with this price. Also, for example, if you see that you have earned enough profit for this trade and that you would like to cash out, you can just simply click here and close at market price. That simply sells all your coins that you have in this trade, and you could take your money and start another trade, for example. Okay, I think that's it for the smart trade. If you're interested in getting started with 3COMMAS, a smart trade, or maybe a TCI bot setup, make sure to check the links down below to get yourself started. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and also consider subscribing to my channel. See you in the next video.